Hello everybody, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to unbox iPad 8 Gen from apple.in. So here's a box which came up. I've actually opened this package up just to make sure that I've got the correct product. So it was a film thing, then here's a box, nothing fancy. Here was a tape which was push away kind of tape. Nothing fancy, just the box. The iPad was kept over here, wrapped in some sort of polythene. Let's just keep this all aside and let's have a look on the iPad. So here's the iPad 8 Gen 32GB variant. iPad, Apple logo, iPad, Apple logo. Here are some details. I hope you all can read that. Now let's just open this up. So here's the iPad. Let's just keep this aside. Here's the normal manual. iPad, nothing fancy. A few information and other things. Then there's a 20-watt fast charger and a USB to lightning connector. Thank you for watching this video. Peace out my friends. A review will be coming very soon, so do subscribe to our channel.